Quick video today on fentanyl, exposure risk, and dart guns. So every year it seems there's some story that comes out where someone touched a dollar bill in a laundromat or on the ground or in a gas station, or they touched a doorknob and they were exposed to fentanyl, they passed out, and then they woke up in the hospital and they barely recovered. They were given Narcan. Police officers claim this happens. It is 100% a myth. What is fentanyl? So it's a potent synthetic opioid, analgesic. It's a pain reliever. It is 100 times more potent than morphine. It's 50 times more potent than heroin. That's true. Now, so can it be absorbed through the skin or by touching an item on it? It's not really readily absorbed in the way you think. It's not going to sit there, and if you touch like one little drop of it, it's going to go right into your skin. It's impossible. It's not how it works. So you touch that dollar bill that has fentanyl on it, or a doorknob, it cannot affect you like that. Now, we're talking about things like dart guns. Another thing you'll see in movies all the time, they'll shoot someone with a dart in the neck or in the leg, whatever, and the person is down instantaneously. It's not true. Okay, so wildlife work, we use chemical immobilization. Having used it, I can tell you that, again, complete myth. Minutes to hours is how long it takes to subdue like a large animal. So thinking something like a human-sized 180, 200-pound animal. It just doesn't work like that. You measure out very calculated doses for each thing you're going to use. So when you're going to pick a sedative, things I would say probably typical is more like in the 10 to 15 minute range. So if you were ever like shot with a dart gun, and then in the movies you see where they just can't possibly take that dart out, humans would 100% take that dart out and then they would be fine. It just not enough would be absorbed. Also, when you do shoot an animal, depending on if it's what the method is, you could cause injury to that animal. And if this was so instantaneous that you could just shoot someone with a dart gun, instantaneous, and they go down like it is in the movies, then you would see police officers would be carrying dart guns or have chemical immobilization with their kit. It just doesn't work like that. It's just not effective. So yeah, minutes to even hours it could take before you could possibly approach someone. So yeah, and we could dispel that whole fentanyl myth. Whenever you see it, 100% not true.